At Tech Alley, I'm a data scientist apprentice, and here we use analytical tools like Looker Studio and Clarity to help businesses make informed decisions to improve whatever they're working on.
I decided to pursue apprenticeship because I wanted to get hands-on experience in a career, and I chose data analytics.
Going into this apprenticeship, I expected a lot more Python and business analytics, but as we've gone throughout the year, it has a lot to do with networking, Gen AI, and especially cloud.
We learned a lot more about collaboration, how to talk with people. We're in a business incubator, so we learn a lot about networking with others. And that was something I did not expect at all, but it's something I'm very appreciative of because it's a skill that I now have that probably wouldn't have had for a very long time.
I've really appreciated the networking aspect as well. I had a problem with public speaking, but going into this and then the 5 months that I've had here, I definitely got better at it, and I've been blessed to have this opportunity.
After we work on our course a little bit, we will usually work on our research project where we picked our own topics that we wanted to focus on. So personally, I'm using data science in order to help food deserts in Baltimore City. I really loved that project, especially because it's a public health project. So whatever my outcome or finding is, it'll help the community. So I felt like it wasn't just for me, but it was for everybody around me. It's one of the best feelings I've ever felt. Like if you talked to me 1 year ago and told me that I would be doing a project that could potentially go to our government and that they could see this project and even take any type of insights from it, I would be astonished. So it's definitely something I'm very proud of myself for doing. And I'm very proud of the other apprentices because I know that it means a lot for them as well. So an amazing feeling.
So my favorite project, I actually ended up doing with Ty. It was with QIX and the HTA IT Institute. And basically what we did is we ended up using analytics tools like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Looker Studio, and Clarity. And after using these tools, we ended up boosting the user activity almost 1,000%. They went from 7 active users to 70 to then 800 to 1.2K.
We're young, we're like 17. They didn't really expect us to do much, but we could actually put ourselves out there and they're like, wow. Like, I didn't actually expect you to do anything. It's a very satisfying feeling. Because of how well we're doing now, I feel nothing but hopeful in what I will do in the future. This is the groundwork. This is where I learned basically everything that I know now. So I can confidently go to a job interview and say, here's what I did here. This is why I'll be a valuable asset to your company.
This apprenticeship has really given me blessings that I didn't think that I would have. The fact that you're getting paid to do it as well, that's going to boost your resume, strengthen your hands-on experience with things.
It's a learning experience, and if you love learning, then it'll just be right for you, and then you could turn it into the job that you want. So I'll definitely encourage anybody, any juniors out there, Howard County, definitely apply for next year. You won't regret it.